Sir, please switch off your mic, sir, please. Good morning. So, Namaskar, very good morning. Namaste, Namaskaram to each and every one of you there. Dear and respected members, faculty members, and most importantly, our students. Hope all of you are fine and staying safe at your home and doing your online classes or playing in the social media and other things. Today, the Institute of Cost Accountants of India, CAT Directorate, Certificate in Accounting Technician, and the AAT Board, Association of Accounting Technician Board, we are very happy that for the first time we are coming with the e-learning course for the benefit of the children, the students of CAT courses. We have 4 regions and more than 100 chapters and more than 400, 500 support centers, ROCCs, over centers put together. It is more than 750 or so. And amidst us, we have the presence of very important faculty members who will be dealing with in the days to come through online courses for your benefit under the CAT course, right?
Hello.
And we have amidst us in the studio Honorable President of the Institute of Cost Accountants of India, that is CMA Balwinder Singh Sir. We have Honorable Vice President of the Institute of Cost Accountants of India, CMA Bisru Basu Sir. He is from Kolkata. President is from Chandigarh. We have two former presidents who have guided us right from the beginning for the successful conduct of a CAT course and to reach and give you better services. They are CMA Rakesh Singh sir, who fortunately was the former president who had the benefit of signing the first MOU and become the first partner with the Government of India Skill Development Corporation Additional Skill Acquisition Program way back in the year 2012. At that time, he was vice president and president was M. Gopalakrishnan sir. They both guided the institute, the entire regions and chapters to take the CAT course ahead. The first chairman of CAT committee is none other than the present president Balwinder Singh sir, who was at that time council member. And most importantly, the first president of myself when I entered the council, that is CMA PV Bhattat sir, who wanted to take this to a giant leap. He is also in our studio. He is a co-opted member of the CAT committee for the year 2019-20, which is CMA Balwinder Singh sir, Visru Dada and the council members.
Okay.
Council members to take it forward. And we remember the services of the past chairman of CAT courses, especially during my period when this became a giant leap. It is none other than CMA Amit Anand Apte sir, Amit Bhai, who is the immediate former president. Then later on we had TCA Srinivasa Prasad sir as the CAT chairman. Then we had Dr. I. Ashok sir for 2 years. Then we had Abhijit Goswami sir from West Bengal, Calcutta. Then we had Manas Kumar Thakur sir as the chairman of the CAT committee. So today we are here. I am CMA H. Padmanabhan, Pappan Bhai. Many of you call me like Pappan uncle also, the students. Yes, we are amidst us to give you a pleasant news, and today will be having the pleasure of inaugurating by none other than our Balwinder Singh sir, Honorable President, who is in our studio, who will be inaugurating the same. To introduce and give a brief idea about our Balwinder Singh sir, which you all should know. We are introducing for the simple reason that you will know how a student can reach such a top position. Today we will be introducing 4 eminent personalities in the studio, that is the president, vice president, 2 former presidents, Balwinder Singh sir, Bisrup Dada, CMA Rakesh Singh sir and PV Bhattat sir, right? So first I request our Ria Madam, Assistant Director of Institute of Cost Accountants of India of CAT Directorate, and she will have the privilege of introducing our own Honorable President of the Institute of Cost Accountants of India, CMA Balwinder Singh. Over to you, Ria Madam. Kindly unmute your mic and have the pleasure of introducing our Honorable President to all the attendees. Thank you. Yes, Riya madam, please go ahead.
Yes, good morning, everyone. Good morning, Padmanaban sir, and good morning, our Honorable Vice President sir, CMA Balvinder Singh sir. Uh, Good morning and welcome to this program. CMA Balvinder Singh sir is the President of our Institute of Cost Accountants of India. He is the fellow member of the Institute of Cost Accountants of India, and he is the fellow member of the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. He is also the fellow member of the Institution of Valuers, Licensee of Insurance Institute of India, Information System Auditor and Certified Arbitrator. He qualified in year 1996 and is a leading practicing cost accountant. He has been actively associated with the institute in various capacities since the year 1998. He has been the Vice President of the Institute of Cost Accountants of India during 2018 and 19. He has been the Central Council member from 2007 to 11 and 2015 to 19 of the Institute of Cost Accountants of India. Earlier to this, he has been the chairman of Chandigarh chapter of the Institute of Cost Accountants of India during the year 2006-7. He has been the chairman of Cost Accounting Standard Board during the year 2015-16, 16-17 and 18-19. He has been the chairman 2007-8 and 2008-9 of Members Facilities and Services Committee, Chairman 2009-10 of the Board for Training of Accounting Technicians, Chairman 2010-11 of Regional Council and Chapter Coordination Committee, and Chairman 2017-18 of Public Finance and Government Accounting. He has also been member of Cost Accounting and Assurance Board, Taxation Committee, Corporate Laws Committee, Finance Committee, Executive Committee, Examination Committee, and members of various other committees of the Institute. He represented in the 17th board meeting of Confederation of Asian and Pacific Accountants held in May 2009 at Canada. He represented in first accounting standards meet for IFAC, International Federation of Accountants, in November 2010 at Sri Lanka. He had supported the initiative of the Institute of Cost and Management Accountants of Sri Lanka and setting up of Cost and Management Accounting Standard Board in 2019. He has been the member of Committee of Government of India, Ministry of Corporate Affairs on the revision of depreciation rates prescribed under the Companies Act during the year 2008 and 9. He has been the member of Committee of Effect of IFRS on Indian Railways Finance Corporation PSU under Ministry of Railways. He has been the member SAFA South Asian Federation of Accountants Committee on Accounting and Auditing Standards and Apex body of SARC for the year 2008 till 2011. From the year 2015 to 19, he has been the member of SAFA Committee on Professional Ethics Independence. He has been the member of Accounting Standard Boards of the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India from the year 2008 to 2010. He is expert speaker on accounting standards for the last 21 years and has addressed large number of sessions on accounting standards, cost accounting standards, and IFRS at various professional platforms and corporate houses. He is the author of publication of Conceptual Clarity on Accounting Standard, including comparison with IFRS. So I welcome you, our Honorable President, sir, CMA Balvinder Singh, sir, in this program. So over to you, Padmanaban, sir.
Thank you, Riya madam, for very nicely and very in lucid terms you have explained to all the attendees. Now I request you to have the pleasure of introducing our Honorable Vice President of the Institute of Cost Accountants of India. He is CMA Biswarup Basu, sir, and he hails from West Bengal, Calcutta. Over to you, Riya madam. Yes, Riya madam.
Yes, sir. I am just sharing his profile.
Yes, please.
I welcome our Honorable Vice President CMA Vishwarup Basu, sir. CMA Vishwarup Basu, sir, has been elected as the Vice President of the Institute for the year 2019-20. CMA Vishwarup Basu, sir, is the fellow member of the Institute of Cost Accountants of India and an alumni of South Point High School, Kolkata. He started his professional career in 1985 as management trainee in a multinational company of repute and thereafter joined Bharat Coking Coal Limited in 1988 as finance officer. Subsequently, he joined a wholly owned company of Government of West Bengal in a senior position where he served for 29 years. He has been total stint of 34 years of industrial exposure. He has been elected as the Central Council of the Institute for the term 2015 to 19 as Central Council member of the Institute. He served the profession as the chairman of Members Facilities Committee for the year 2015 to 16 and 16 to 17. He was the chairman of Journal and Publication Committee and also the Members in Industries Committee. During his tenure, he has taken several initiatives that would increase the scope and development of the profession. Additionally, he was a member of the Finance Committee in the year 2015-16 and member of the Examination Committee for the year 2016-17, 17-18 and 18-19. He has the privilege of serving the profession as a member of the Eastern India Regional Council for 3 terms from 1995 to 98, 1998 to 2001, and then 2004 to 2007 in various capacities as treasurer from 1995 to 96, 1996 to 97. He was the secretary of the Eastern India Regional Council from 96 to 97 and 97 to 98 and vice chairman during the period 2000 and 2001. He has been re-elected to the Central Council for the term 2019 to 2023. I welcome you, CMA Vishwarup Basu sir, our Honorable Vice President of this program. Over to you, Padmanabhan sir.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Ria Madam, Assistant Director of the Institute of Cost Accountants of India, for introducing to our students and the attendees with regard to our Honorable President and Vice President. Now we have in the studio none other than Chittoranjan Chattopadhyay sir. We call him Chittoda respectfully. He is the Chairman of Banking and Insurance Committee. This particular quarter, Balwinder sir has released the CAT e-Bulletin for the benefit of the members in the august presence of Sri Suresh Prabhu sir, the Honorable Member of Parliament Rajya Sabha, and other important dignitaries from a BJP Secretary to FICCI President to Professor and also very important dignitaries of ministries, Secretaries of Ministry, right? So it was on the theme financial inclusion. That is to inculcate the habit of savings and opening the bank account so that in due course you can be a proud taxpayer of the country. That means you will get more and more income if you have inculcate the habit of savings habit. So the right person amidst us is none other than our Chittoranjan Chattopadhyay sir, who is the Honorable Chairman of Banking and Insurance Committee, and kindly listen to him very carefully so that he will be giving his address plus some guidance for the generations to come and the people from the villages and remote areas who are yet to open bank account also. This is as per the direction and advice of Honorable President of India, Kovind sir. In one of the occasion, he addressed our members joining our CMA family members. He told the importance how the cost accountants of India also can go as an additional service, social responsibility, they can take it as an institution responsibility, they can take over so that the financial inclusion and the awareness are reached to the entire more than 130 crores of population in the country. Over to you, Chittoda, for your address, please. Kindly unmute your mic and address. Yes, sir.
Thank you. Thank you very much. In fact, I feel myself elated and privileged that you have called me in this beautiful, program today's program in your CAT committee. And I also understand this is a paramount importance for us to give advice to the CAT learner. And this particularly in this occasion, this e-learning, what you are talking about, this is a really magnificent achievement for your committee. In fact, before I start, I just congratulate you because this day is 4th June. It's a significant day. A significant day is International Day of Innocent Children Victims of Aggression. This is a very, very important day for the earth. So today you have taken this idea of e-learning, launching e-learning for the CAT learner. So I congratulate you, my respected President of the Institute, CMA Balwinder Singh, my Vice President Vishwarup Basu, my past President Rakesh Singh ji, Pramod Bhattacharya, our beloved Secretary, and all other dignitaries here, secretaries, directors. In fact, this is this day when we are talking about CAT learning course. I understand that a significant achievement can be done by the CAT learners. You know, we have in India, how many branches are there? 1,55,183 number of bank branches are there. 1,55,183 number of bank branches are there. And out of them, 52,181 numbers of rural branches are there. And you see, as a CAT, those who will be taking admission, those who are getting themselves enrichment to this CAT learning course, this particular course will help them to be the bank business correspondents or business facilitator, as it has been initiated by Reserve Bank of India for every banks. So this is a great opportunity for the CAT course. Those who will be undertaking this CAT course, they can form a self-help group. They can form a common facility center where 5 or 6 CAT. I think this is a very unique idea, that if the CAT trainees, those will be successfully graduating themselves from this particular course, they can really serve the country for nation building, especially in the banking sector. Banking sector looks for this sort of efficient people who will be going to the rural areas, and they will be forming a team, and with that team will help the bank branches to mop up continuously savings bank schemes, savings bank accounts, and other facilities which are being given in the rural areas by the bankers. In fact, a lot of schemes are there. There are so many civil society organizations who are already doing this, and I think now our CAT trainees will be taking this a leap forward, so that they can definitely add value to the banking system of India. And you know, this PMJY, then PMSBY, PMJJBY, Atal Pension Yojana, lot of schemes have been launched by the government for the rural people, and even in the urban area, semi-urban area, all schemes are floating. Those who will be having their savings bank account, they will be entitled to all these benefits of the government. And here CAT learners will be definitely have a great role to play, and I think they will be able to have a very good income also from here, because banks are paying a very good sum of money for the business facilitators, business correspondents. And I think here Mr. Padmanabhan is relentlessly trying to connect this CAT course with others. My suggestion to here will be, we can also connect to certain certificate courses of the Indian Institute of Banking Finance, through which our CAT course, those will be successfully completing this CAT course, they can specialize themselves with the various banking financial literacy issue. And financial literacy campaign by RBI is a very important campaign where our CAT learners can play a major role in India. And in fact, if you talk about the financial literacy, you will find they can help the account, the proposed account holders, those who are yet to open the bank account. Lot of people are still, lot of blocks, still lot of villages are uncovered where the accounts have not yet been opened. And in fact, this financial literacy includes the budget, banking, credit management, investment, then insurance, then your retirement plan, retirement schemes, then fraud protection, and then your digitization. So these areas, these people can work. These CAT, those will be qualifying CAT candidates. They can work for the cause of the development of the nation. And especially when our Honorable Prime Minister's launch Atmanirbhar Bharat, when he is always looking for that continuously upgradation of the country's MSME sectors, business continuity plan. Here, these CAT learners can work as a MSME Mitra. I think it's the time that we can launch this thing, this nomenclature for the CAT learners. They will be all working as a MSME Mitra. And when they will be MSME Mitra, they will be going to the MSME entrepreneurs, and with their learning of GST, learning of income tax, whatever has been imparted by the institute in this particular course. And this is a beautiful course, and the bulletin has covered lot of very much knowledgeable people have contributed. So from this course and from this continuous bulletin, I understand and I am sure that our CAT learners will add value to their profession, and ultimately they will be definitely coming out as a victorious, and they will be definitely continuously they will be looking for their development with the retailers, with the householders, every domestic, wherever the CAT learners will be the essential part of the society. Again, I thank you, Mr. Padmanabhan, for inviting me to give me an opportunity to express my views. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, Chitoda, for very nicely explaining so that the younger generations have understood you very clearly. And now I would like to share with you the articles, as you said, in CAT bulletin. If time permits, if everybody goes through, it will be fantastic. Right from K.N. Balakumaran sir to many people, bankers, everybody have written good articles so that in a lucid manner, so that whoever reads it can understand the importance of financial inclusion also. Now we have amidst us, as I told you, our honorable two former presidents are also very much here. But before that, since we have already introduced our Biswarup Basudada, the honorable vice president, let us listen to him, dear friends and the student fraternity, very carefully. Our own honorable vice president, Biswarup Basudada. Biswarup Basudada, you can unmute your mic and kindly address the attendees, please.
Respected President CMA Balvinder Singh, my beloved colleagues in the Central Council, Regional Council and chapters, respected CMA Rakesh Singh, former President, Institute of Cost Accountants of India, respected CMA D.V. Bhattar, former President, Institute of Cost Accountants of India, my colleagues in the Central Council, Chittaranjan Chattopadhyay, H. Padmanabhan, Secretary of the Institute, Devashish Mitra, Central Council member, my beloved students, ladies and gentlemen, my professional colleagues. It is my proud pleasure to address you at a time when the whole world is suffering from global pandemic. Yes, there is a crisis, but we need to find out opportunities from this crisis. I appreciate the bold endeavor which our H. Padmanabhan, former Vice President, Institute of Cost Accountants of India, has taken. He has taken the initiative of organizing virtual seminars. The basic purpose of organizing such seminars is dissemination of knowledge. Learning gives creativity, creativity leads to thinking, thinking provides knowledge, knowledge makes you great. Now friends, what is the knowledge equation? Knowledge equation is knowledge equal to creativity plus courage plus righteousness. So the word courage has got a very important meaning in our life. Myself is an alumnus of South Point High School. Incidentally, Abhishek Binayak Bandyopadhyay, who is the Nobel laureate, is also an alumnus of South Point High School. The motto of our school is courage to know. My school was founded on 1st April 1954. So the word courage has got very importance in our life. A leader has to be courageous. Our President Balvinder Singh is very courageous. Each one of us has wings of fire which will lead to knowledge and will make one fly to become whatever one wants to be in life. Our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji is having a dream. Swami Vivekananda has said, arise, awake, stop not till the goal is reached. Earlier, he was having a dream to make India a 5 trillion economy. Yes, it is no doubt a stupendous task. Now, he is having a dream of making India Atmanirbhar. So, there are 5 I's to build self-reliant India. Those are intent, inclusion, investment, infrastructure, innovation. Now, friends, our profession is cost and management accountancy. I appreciate the CAT course is a course for technicians. If you can pass this course, you can straight away take admission in our intermediate course. After the intermediate course, there is final course, and there is tremendous future for our course, provided your communication skill is good and you learn the practical aspects. Today, the world is changing fast. We are passing to a volatile, uncertain, complex, and ambiguous world. So you need to know different other techniques like artificial intelligence, blockchain, cyber security. These are modern techniques you have to know. I will not waste your valuable time. I wish you all the best. Before I close, I will quote a few lines from Rabindranath Tagore. I will quote a few lines from Rabindranath Tagore. I have become my own version of an optimist. If I can't make through one door, I will go through another door, or I will make a door. Something terrific will come. How dark the present. I wish the seminar a grand success. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, and so nice of you, Bisrup Dada, Honorable Vice President of the Institute of Cost Accountants of India, and also guiding the children that once they pass this CAT course, they are eligible for direct entry to the main course of the Institute of Cost Accountants of India. That is a great message you have given, Bisrup Dada. And before I invite our Honorable President, CMA Balvinder Singh sir, who is going to officially inaugurate, and it is another feather to his golden cap, I should tell that lot of initiatives he has done as a president, and he has ensured and guided us and encouraged us, and finally he is coming to the destination of starting the online courses under this CAT course of Institute of Cost Accountants of India. And Balvinder Singh sir, you have got a very good message in the morning from Bashir Masoodi sir, chairman from Kashmir, who has encouraged many of the students, the younger generations in his part, Jammu and Kashmir, to join our CAT course and the main course also. And his message goes like this: we should create a brand for CAT and get a proper recognition for the same, in particular in Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities. My best wishes for inauguration of e-learning for CAT students and the way forward. And another member, Mayank Jain, he has also given his best wishes to you directly, Balvinder sir. Over to you, Balvinder sir, and we humbly request you to kindly, in your address, remember to inaugurate and declare having inaugurated this CAT e-learning course, sir. And I am sure you will create more records by ensuring online courses are there for foundation, intermediate, final, and we will go to online. We have done it in the past, maybe only for foundation, but under your leadership, you are doing the beginning foundation so strongly that across the globe, anyone can join our course and write examination online. All the very best, and thank you for being with us, Balvinder sir. Over to you, Balvinder Singh sir.
Very distinguished Vice President of the Institute, CMA Vishnu Basuji, CMA H. Padmanabanji, Chairman, Regional Councils and Chapters Coordination Committee, and CAT Committee, and also Director AAT Board, CMA P.V. Bhattarji, former President of the Institute, CMA Rakesh Singhji, former President of the Institute, CMA Ranjan Chattopadhyay, Council Member, Chairman Insurance Committee of the Institute, CMA Kaushik Banerjee, Secretary of the Institute, CMA Nishad Diwan, Additional Director of the Institute, CMA Assistant Director, R.K. Jain, Varun Joshi, Pradeep Kareja ji, faculty members Joydeep Das Gupta ji, Ish Tareja ji, G. Varshne ji, Raman Kumar ji, all we can see on the panel here. And dear members and students, a very good morning to all of you. I today feel privileged to be here at the inaugural ceremony of e-learning of CAT course. Institute has always worked to enhance the employment scope for the youth of the country, providing the youth quality education, so as to say that that we have to see that we can bridge the skill gap and we can develop the full potential of the youth, and you get the employable skills. The CAT course, that is the Certificate in Accounting Technician course of our institute, is primarily designed to develop employable skills in the field of entry-level accounting functions among the youth of the country, as per skill sets required by the industry only. Which demand for the entry-level and the junior-level accountants in MSME sector, tiny industries, panchayats, and large more. CAT is will equip the students become well versed with the maintenance of accounts, preparation of tax returns, filing of returns under the Companies Act, filing of returns under the Income Tax Act, GST Act, Customs Act, import and export, large other practical day-to-day. Aftermath of COVID-19 pandemic, which has not only impacted human lives, but the business activities and the education system as well has been impacted to a large extent. This is a crisis that has impacted almost everything. This situation has affected educational systems worldwide, which has led to the near total closure of the schools, universities, and the colleges. Most governments around the world have temporarily closed educational institutions in an attempt to contain the spread of the COVID. In response to the closure of the school, universities, and other educational institutions, it has been recommended by various governments that we should use the distant learning programs, and open education applications and platforms should be used by the institutions so that the faculty can also use these to reach the learners remotely and limit the disruption of education. Needless to say, the pandemic has transformed the centuries-old chalk and talk teaching model to one driven by the technology model now. This disruption in the delivery of education is pushing we all policymakers to figure out how to drive engagement at a scale while ensuring inclusive e-learning solutions and tackling with the digital divide. Online learning today has become a critical lifeline for education, as we all institutions seek to minimize the potential for the community transmission. This technology can enable the faculty and the students to assess specialized materials well beyond textbooks. It will be in multiple formats, and it can bridge the gap between time and space. We at the Institute has taken all possible measures for the convenience of the members, convenience of the students, and other stakeholders in the present scenario. Today, it gives me immense pleasure to inaugurate the e-learning classes for the students pursuing CAT course of the Institute. I congratulate CMA H. Padmanabhanji, Chairman of CAT Committee, for this timely initiative for the benefits of all CAT students. The schedule of online classes will be shared by the CAT Committee and the Directorate to you separately. With these words, I welcome the stalwarts, the faculty members and students here, and once again I congratulate H. Padmanabhanji for this excellent initiative. Thank you, and over to H. Padmanabhanji for further proceedings.
Thank you so much, Balwinder Singh sir, for officially inaugurating, and hope the children are getting the blessings of yours with more than 4 decades of experience and at the helm of affairs like head of the family. We are very thankful to you for inaugurating the same. And now, Balwinder sir, with your permission, we are going ahead with the program, and I request Nisha Diwan madam to kindly unmute her mic and have the privilege of introducing CMA Rakesh Singh sir, former president of the Institute of Cost Accountants of India 2012-13, and CMA PV Bhattat sir, my first president in the council in the year 2015-16. Over to you, Nisha Diwan madam. You have the privilege of introducing both the stalwarts, former president of the Institute of Cost Accountants of India. And anybody can help to show the profile if it is required. Otherwise, Nisha madam, please carry on. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Good morning, all the distinguished guests and all the viewers joining us today morning. I welcome all of you on this great occasion of e-learning facility which has been launched by CAT Directorate. And for this, I would like to congratulate Padmanabhan sir for very timely initiative at this hour, and through this phase, I think most of us, everyone has learned a lot that learning should not stop. We should continue despite whatever situation, and this virtual and technical technology has helped us a lot during this phase. Before I proceed further, I would like to invoke blessing of Almighty to take us further, and we should to bless all of us to make this world a better place.
Thank
And
you.
now I would like to, since we have our very learned past presidents, former presidents amongst us, both are eminent past presidents and all-time supporter to the profession, and they are a guiding force behind us. So first of all, I would like to introduce CMA Rakesh Singh, sir. He is a former president of the Institute for the period 2012 to 2013. Sir is a leading practitioner practicing cost accountant since 1990. He was actively associated with the Institute since he was a student. Then after becoming a cost accountant, elected as a member of the Northern India Regional Council and was a chairman in the year 2001 to 2002. Then he was a Central Council member for the term. For 2 terms, he was a Central Council member 2004, 2007. Then term 2011 to 2015. He was the chairman of Cost Accounting Standards Board of Institute. During his chairman, he has played a premier role in completing and bringing out the generally accepted cost accounting principles, GACAP, for use of professionals, members, industry, and students. This was a great achievement at that point of time, and everybody has appreciated this effort. He was the technical advisor of Confederation of Asia and Pacific Accountants, CAPA, and past nominee on the Government Accounting Standards and Advisory Board, the SAB. Sir has also represented the Institute on various international forums, the Board of International Federation of Accountants, IFAC, South Asian Federation of Accountants, SAFA, and Confederation of Asian and Pacific Accountants, CAPA. Sir was a member of various committees constituted by the Ministry of Corporate Affairs and other industry associations. He has been associated with various. He has represented Institute on various forums, and I would say he is instrumental to our profession throughout, and presently also supporting us, being member on various committees of the Institute. And it's a lot of things that I would have to say for him, since he has contributed a lot to the profession. So I would say that he's a thorough professional to our institute. Thank you, sir, for being with us today morning and gracing this occasion. Now I would like to introduce our former president, CMA PV Bhattar, sir. He was the president for the year 2015-2016. He was is having a bright academic career. He's a science graduate with the postgraduate in economics, diploma in management, first rank holder in bachelor's in general law, and 4th rank holder in LLB. At the professional front, he started his career from a private sector in 1977. And thereafter served Western Coalfields, a subsidiary of Coal India Limited, in 1980, and thereafter retired as a general manager finance. So he is a thorough professional serving this Coal India. Sir was associated with Nagpur chapter of Cost Accountants since students' days. So sir also started his career and his politically, I can't say politically, but professionally contributions from his students' days. He has represented a student member on the management committee. He was rose to the level of the chairman, and after qualifying, sir became a member of the Western India Regional Council and chairman of WRC in 2005-2006. Thereafter, as a Central Council member for 2 terms, 2011 to 2015. In 2015 to 2019. During his tenure, he has chaired various committees region and chapter coordination committee, members in industry and placement committee, and so on. Sir has represented the institute on various international forums, committee on government and public sector enterprises, accounting of South Asian Federation of Cost Accountants, and also on the public sector financial management committee of the Confederation of Asian and Pacific Accountants, CAPA. He represented on International Valuation Standards Council as well. Since he has lot of feathers in his cap, so I would conclude that he is a thorough administrator and he has a thorough knowledge serving the public sector undertaking, and he has contributed with a good contribution to the institute and constantly a force behind us, and as a very dynamic president he has served us, and we are glad to have him today morning with us. And I would really thankful to both the dynamic former presidents among us. Now I would request Padmanabhan sir to proceed for the further sessions.
Thank you
Over
so much.
to Padmanabhan.
Yeah, thank you so much, Nisha Diwan madam, for accepting our request and having the pleasure of introducing the former president. Always you have been a very good performer, taking care of the students' needs, the members' needs, as well as you have been instrumental in ensuring that institute activities reaches to the maximum. Thank you so much, Nisha Diwan madam. And as you very rightly said, the two former presidents are real stalwarts.
Yes, sir.
And first of all, we would like to listen to Honorable P.V. Bhattat sir. You very nicely told that he is a real administrator and he has brought a lot of things for improvement in the system. And he is the one who went by the guidance of the Ministry of Corporate Affairs and the ministry, whether it is from PMO office or from the FM office. Always he has been in touch with them so that our institute name gets more and more importance in the Ministry of Corporate Affairs. And today, through you, I could learn, and the members, the students also will be happy to know that such a stalwart who was our former president was a rank holder, and that to a science postgraduate. It's a fantastic information to me also, and for the youngsters, that if we have determination, commitment, passion, and lust to learn, we can reach to the top position, whether it is be in the members in the industry where he served in the Coal India, or for that matter in the profession, right from the student days, being the representative, becoming the president is not a small thing. We welcome you, P.V. Bhattat sir, to first address all the attendees, our students. And for your information, sir, this will be uploaded in our website for the students and the ROCC support centers to make the students who are finding it difficult due to connectivity to join the program also. Over to you, Bhattat sir. Kindly bless the students and also bless the institute, CAT Directorate, and guide us in future also. We would like to listen to you, P.V. Bhattat sir, please.
Thank you, Nisha madam, for giving my profile. Respected CMA Balwinder sir, President of the Institute, CMA Biswarup Dada, Vice President of the Institute, CMA Rakesh Singh, past President, former President of the Institute, my council colleague in present council, Mr. Padmanabhan, Chairman CAT Committee, Chairman ASEAN Chapter Committee, and Chairman AIT Board. And another council member, my council colleagues, and Mr. Chittoda, Chairman Banking and Institute Committee, Secretary of the Institute, Kaushik Banerjee, leader of the executive team of the Institute, and leader of the CAT Committee, Riya Chaudhary and Mr. R.K. Jain from Calcutta and Delhi. They are leading the CAT team, and IT team, and Mr. Ashish Tiwari and his team. Faculty members, Mr. Sanjay Varsine, Mr. Gupta, Mr. Kumar, and Mr. Jaydeep Dasgupta, and my students. I am thankful to Mr. Padmanabhan for giving me an opportunity to interact with the student. The CAT course is the first stepping stone to the start your career. It is first time that online e-learning course has been started. Some bad things bring the opportunity to the in the life. The corona and COVID-19 virus has created such a bad situation that we are not meeting face to face. So this e-learning has been started. By that, students will be benefited because they will be taught by the learned speaker from throughout India. We are having here 5 learned speakers on the presentation today. So students will be benefited by the experience and their knowledge they are sharing to the all students of the CAT course. This opportunity is not available in the offline course, in classroom course, and because the local faculty is available only. So this is the best opportunity to students to learn. In the CAT course, there will be theory classes and also a practical training. By practical training, they will be trained in the GST, income tax, e-filing of the GST return, income tax return. So they can work after passing this examination as an accountant in MSME. Just Chittoda told that the MSME Mitra, in the rural bank, in the cooperative banks, and in the private sectors. Even they can start their practice as a GST advisor, income tax advisor, filing the returns of the small traders in the local places also. So they have ample opportunity by clearing this course, and also they will be stepping one step ahead to join the main course of the CMA profession. I thank particularly Mr. Padmanabhan and our council colleagues of 2007-11 who has introduced this CAT course, and Kerala government has given the recognition. Now our past president Mr. Rakesh Singh and our CAT team is trying to get the all India recognition to this course so that they can be absorbed in the state level as an accountant. My best wishes to this team to get the job done in the earliest time, and because already we have 3-4 months have been lagging behind due to this corona epidemic. Students are the backbone and ambassador of our institute, and they have to also fulfill the desire of their parent by successful completion of this course and start their earning. Our CAT team under the chairmanship of Mr. H. Padmanabhan will serve the student day and night to solve their difficulties. And most likely the CAT examination may start in online also, so the student can be benefited by that only. Mr. Padmanabhan is popular among the students as their student friend, and he is always ready from his chapter level to the national level for solving the problem of the student. So I am quite sure that student will be definitely benefited from this CAT team. I wish the great success in your e-learning and future career. Thanking you. Thanks once again to H. Padmanabhan and CMA Balwinder team and his team. Thanking you. Over to Mr. Padmanabhan.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, P.V. Bhattat, sir. You, in fact, brought a new this thing to all of us. From you, I now learned one thing, that because of this e-learning courses, yes, which has been already inaugurated by our Honorable President of the Institute of Cost Accountants of India, CMA Balwinder Singh, sir, along with his deputy, the Honorable Vice President Biswarup Dada here. The students are going to benefit because of e-learning. The reason is the stalwarts across the globe will be available for students in their mobile to learn. Otherwise, normally we get stalwarts of a local area only. And I am very happy to share with you that our friends Satyanarayan Mittal sir, Molloy Kumar Paul sir, and Samir Pradhan sir have congratulated our team for this great initiative, and they are eagerly waiting when we will commence this program. Yes, we will be commencing because we have amidst us Shri Aish Taneja sir, the faculty member, Professor B.V. Raman Kumar sir, Shri Sanjeev Varshne sir, CMA Praveen Gupta sir, and most importantly, my own very dearest, respectable friend and I should tell very close friend of mine, always he is with us, CMA Dr. Joydev Das Gupta sir is very much amidst us, and definitely the students are going to benefit. And I request Rakesh Singh sir, the former president who signed the MOU and who ensured that we are the first partners with the government to launch this CAT scheme and taking it to a greater height. And Rakesh Singh sir, if your video network problem is there, you can join us later on also. So for the time being, I request our Kaushik Banerjee sir, Honorable Secretary of the Institute of Cost Accountants of India, to please, as Bhatt sir told, as you are the leader for the administrative side taking care of the institute, we request you to kindly come online and share your thoughts and how well your CAT directorate is going ahead. That also you can share with us, sir. Over to you, Kaushik Banerjee, sir.
Thank you very much, sir.
Yes, sir. You can, if possible, switch on your video also, if network is okay, and address.
My video is on.
No issue.
My camera is.
Yes, you can address the students are listening. Yes, now we can see you also. Very
Yes,
good.
thank you very much. Honorable CMA Balvinder Singh, President of the Institute. Honorable CMA Bishwarup Basu, Vice President of the Institute. Honorable Sri H. Padmanaban Sir, Chairman of CAT Committee, AAT Board and Regional Councils and Chapters Coordination Committee. Honorable CMA Chittaranjan Chattopadhyay, our Banking and Insurance Committee Chairman. Our Honorable Past Presidents, CMA Rakesh Singh and Honorable Past President CMA P.V. Bhattat Sir. Our CAT Department headed by R.K. Jain, our Ria Chaudhary. We have with us Nisha Diwan of PD Department, and everybody of them has been functioning excellently. Our IT department have been giving excellent support in all our webinars and all our programs. We have the presence of all faculties with us and dear students. Our president has already inaugurated the e-learning in CAT course, which will be of great help for all of you. It has been the objective of the government to develop the skill through this CAT course, and it is continuing for a considerable time, and there has been a great performance from our CAT students and well monitored by our CAT department throughout. As you all know, that the CAT qualified students can have a direct entry into our CMA course as well. In fact, the CAT qualified students can make a huge contribution to the Honorable Prime Minister's call for Atmanirbhar Bharat. During the period when India is reeling under the impact of COVID-19, coupled with the impact of cyclone in the eastern and western part of the country, all the students have to play a great role during this period, since India will be now in the process of a recovery. Dear students, you can contribute a lot to the India's recovery process in the economic situation during this lockdown situation, from which we are gradually coming to the unlocking situation, and we will have to face a great challenge during the period ahead. My best wishes to all of you on this occasion. Have a great e-learning ahead. Thank you all very much.
Thank you so much, Kaushik Banerjee sir. So nice of you for your kind words of motivation and appreciation for the staff members also. And I think our Rakesh Singh sir is yet to join the studio. He was there. In fact, I request Rajesh Jain sir, the in charge of CAT Directorate, the HOD, to have the privilege of introducing the honorable faculty members who are amidst us. Rakesh Jain sir, over to you.
afternoon, everyone. Sir, it is our privilege to have the faculty members to teach the CAT students. First, I would like to introduce CMA Dr. Joydeep Das Gupta, sir. Welcome, sir, in this program. CMA Dr. Joydeep Das Gupta is the Associate Member of the Institute of Cost Accountant of India and is Associate Professor in Department of Commerce.
If you can show the profile also, it will be good. Pradeep Bhai can help.
He is also guest faculty with the Department of MCOM. His qualification is MCOM, PhD, ACMA, PGDFM and PGDOM. Welcome, sir, in this program. Another faculty member we are having, Professor B.V. Raman Kumar. He is MCOM and MBA. He worked in various capacities as a lecturer, HOD of Commerce, Principal of Junior Degree and PG College, and nominated as the Academic Council member of the Davangere University for 2 years, served the education sector for more than 38 years. Welcome, sir, in this program. And another faculty member is CMA Praveen Gupta, sir. He is fellow member of the Institute of Cost Accountants of India, and he is LLB, PGDBM, Finance, MCOM honors. Presently, he is designated as a partner in Panels Management Consultant LLP, and he is practicing cost accountant under the name Praveen Gupta and Company. Another faculty is Mr. Sanjeev Varsne, sir. Mr. Sanjeev Varsne is renowned faculty in the direct tax and indirect tax, having a rich experience of 21 years. He is a teacher, guide, philosopher, and the thousands and thousands of students with a motivating background. The professional career of Mr. Sanjeev Varsne is a perfect blend of academic and brilliance and vast teaching experience. He is a throughout topper, having a distinction in graduation and post-graduation examination. He has also participated in several seminars, conferences at the national level. He has also participated in several seminars, conferences. Welcome, sir, in this program. And we are having CA East Taneja, sir. By qualification, East Taneja is PhD, scholar, qualified chartered accountant, CPA USA, certified green belt USA, in Six Sigma certified IFRS. He has exposure in arbitration in MCA, Government of India, certificate in valuation and treasury management, ICI, DISA. He is having more than 25 years of multiple experience of working and training at both India and international level. So welcome you all, sir, in this webinar. Thank you, sir. Over to Chairman, sir.
Yes. Thank you so much, Rajesh Jain, sir, HOD CAT Directorate, and we have amidst us the main person, I should tell, Rakesh Singh, sir. Not only in Kerala state, then to Chhattisgarh, then to Jaipur, then to various places including Lucknow, and he has been guiding and telling all the chairman as to how to take it forward. And now he has come with a wonderful idea where Balwinder Singh sir and the entire team felt very happy that he is in the process of ensuring that the CAT students, the passed out students should be given membership, and that plan is very much in the execution. And I request others to please unmute, Rajesh Jain to unmute his that thing. And here Rakesh Singh sir want to make it different, because the AIT students, when they are given the membership with a small amount to begin with, and they can ensure getting lot of services from the CAT Directorate, and also the industries and other public sector undertakings will be informed about those members for their employable opportunities also. Such a visionary is Rakesh Singh sir. He is ambitious. We are very happy that he is also in our studio. Already very nicely introduced by Nisha Diwan madam when she got the chance to introduce Rakesh Singh sir. So over to you, Rakesh Singh sir. We welcome you and we seek your blessing, sir, and your guidance in future also to take this way forward. Over to you, Rakesh Singh sir, please.
Thank you, Mr. Padmanabhan, Chairman of the CAT Committee and also the motivator and the main force behind AET. And thank you for a nice introduction from Nisha. Mr. Balwinder Singh, President of the Institute, Mr. Biswarup Basu, our Vice President, Secretary Mr. Kaushik Banerjee, Council Member Mr. Chitranjan Basu, and former President Mr. Bhatted, all other colleagues, friends, students, and faculty. Today is a very important day where Institute is taking a big leap forward and very timely decision that we have to launch this e-learning module. I can elaborate on few of the things why this is important and why this can be a game changer for the institute as well. I've been talking to various, all of you know, possibly I've been associated with many of the industry associations. Two things basically every industry association has been coming out. And especially our deliberation should assume more importance because in this COVID-19 situation, all of us are aware that there is a huge reverse migration which has taken place. And if you look at the government decisions, MSME sector has been given the maximum weightage. Why? Because 90% of the workforce is basically engaged with the MSME sector, and also it contributes hugely, approximately nothing less than 10% to our GDP. But with the reverse migration, one very important thing which the industry is feeling is that we have to now decentralize this whole economic activity, where with the direct benefit transfer and development of MSMEs and self-help groups, which is now becoming need of the hour, where we need to compete with Chinese model. And the catchword now which is given by the Honorable Prime Minister is that we need to have a Atmanirbhar Bharat. And another very important thing, we have to go local with a vocal voice. If we combine these two things, let us understand this CAT course, what we have been offering was basically to train those students who for some reason or the other cannot come to cities. They may be financially not strong, but at the same time, without closing the doors of their progress, like what Chairman Cat Papan Bhai said, that we start with a CAT course, but also open a door to get them entry into our main course and let them become a professional. But the concept was that if possibly, if for any reason, any unfortunate reason, if they cannot become a professional, they can serve in their local areas with a some sort of a semi-qualified position where they could become advisors, and we can have a hand-holding for such students. Yes, one more thing what CAT chairman said was that now time has come that we need to expedite our decision where these students, almost 100,000 numbers what we have trained. This 100,000 number unfortunately has been simply without hand-holding. They have been working in isolation. Time has come to bring them into a professional arena and give them some sort of a membership with the AAT, which will give them recognition in the society.
Sir Rakesh Singh, sir, you can unmute your mic and continue, sir.
I think. So now the important thing is that we now need these 100,000 students first to get in the main force. Let the institute have the hand-holding procedure put in place. But more important, which I would like to now say, that now in India we must, as an institutional body, which is the main body when we can help the semi-qualified student to serve the MSME sector and the rural sector where SSG courses and the association need them. In the morning, fortunately in the morning, Architect was there and I was renowned person, Sanjay Singh is there. He has a large number of great skill development, thousands of, and he was very happy that we had a hand train these people where first night almost one and half of them also and 2080 it will be increasing the services of these students for a very simple reason, like whether it is GST, whether it company law, whether the small requirement. I will give you an example. In one of the campus, there was a discussion that what stops the small entrepreneurs to go to the bank and take benefit of the scheme, whatever the wanting. You can understand the maximum amount of money for MSME. But that they are able to take it all on very small thing because maximum of the scheme they require profit and loss account and balance. Not necessarily satisfied by any profit, but a self-satisfied now I see that and and approach the bank. I think then from our point of view, if we can recruit these students, we can handhold them by taking, by bringing them into AT and continue how like to possibly we need to where do two things. One, we have to align it because chairman is fully aware about it and president is also aware that we are talk with this ministry where we need to align this course with the skill development ministry. And ROCCs, I think we need to streamline computer education with a little bit more compatibility with the Excel and Word. I think two changes we can make. We'll be doing an email service to this nation where the Prime Minister wants Atmanirbhar Bharat and the economic activity getting towards semi-urban. There is a need and urgent need to bring this trend, guide them, and where our institute can play a major role. Please understand that previously our institute, the original Institute of Cost and Works Accountants of India came into existence only in the Second World War because there was a need, there was an urgency, there was a dire need to come with an institution which can help use of resources. Today, once again, with COVID-19 situation, we must get ready to serve our nation again. The call is coming where we need to compete for the Atmanirbhar Bharat and at the same time we have to handhold and empower semi-qualified students across India. And that is where this e-learning course becomes very critical. Right thing at the right time, and all credit goes to the chairman who is the driving force behind this and definitely under the leadership of our president and vice president. I also thank my IT staff and all the CAT directorate who are working day in and day out to come out with this thing. My good wishes are with this department. I'm always associated with it, but definitely I hope that my request is taken care of, and we go further and expand ourselves in different areas with little bit of tweaking. Wonderful program. Thank you everyone for being part of this, and I thank all the ROCC and students who have been part of it. We are there for you. Let us join hands and let India become Atmanirbhar. Thank you very much to all of you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Rakesh Singh sir. In fact, some of the members had a doubt as to why we should do this course when a CMA course is there. You have explained very nicely. Hope your questions are answered because of the deliberation of Rakesh Singh sir. Yes, from those children who have cleared 10th standard SSLC and before completing the pre-degree course, that is a +2, because of joining this course from the unreached concept done by the Institute of Cost Accountants of India, they, by virtue of studying this course and the actual training internship program which they have to undergo, they will be now able to, before the age of 15, 16 or 17 itself, they are able to help the people who want to file IT return, GST return, and so many things they are now able to do. And they have been earning something for their pocket also. How? Because being part of the audit team of the panchayat, municipalities, corporations, and working in public sector, public utility services, children at that young age itself, because of this qualification, they start earning. And in Gulf countries, many of our students who have completed have got job because of this accounting technician certificate. That means the theoretical knowledge which the faculty members will be giving and practical experience which they get, they are now before the world with the full employable potentiality. That is the beauty of the certificate in accounting technician course. And more importantly, to become a better professional, they get a direct entry without writing the foundation examination. They can join for the CMA intermediate course. This is the beauty of this course and the purpose of this course. Definitely, as members have raised the doubt, see, because joining for the CMA course is different thing. But beforehand itself, they become very good in their skill, that talent, which many of the ministers and MPs and from the skill development ministry also they have told. We should ensure that what is the taste of the student we are identifying at the young age, and if they are interested in accounting field, they are being guided properly and highly recognized across the globe. And many of the multinational companies and including the hotels, including the hospital, including the building sectors, they have taken the certificate accounting technician passed out candidates for their employment in the audit team, in the finance team and whatnot. They themselves can help the citizens who are taxpayers in filing their return also. So very nicely explained, Rakesh Singh sir, and with your blessings we will take it forward also. Now we will have the privilege of that felicitation by the faculty members who are amidst us. First and foremost, I would request my own very dearest friend, I told you, faculty member, Dr. Joydev Das Gupta sir is amidst us. I request him to unmute his mic and give best wishes for the students from your side also, sir. Over to you, Dr. Joydev Das Gupta sir.
Well, thank you for inviting me to this, and I give my best wishes to all the students, and I can assure them that this is a very good course and they would be really benefited by doing this course. So thank you very much for inviting me, and I congratulate all the students who have enrolled themselves in this course. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Das Gupta sir, and we have our professor B.V. Raman Kumar sir is amidst us. He is here to bless all the students and also ensure that you children, the student fraternity, are going to shine in your future as accounting technician. We humbly request Raman Kumar sir to unmute his mic and kindly address all of us, sir, please. You can unmute your mic, sir, and you can unmute. Yes, sir. Please, sir. Please, sir.
Yes.
Thank you.
Good morning, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir, we are able to listen to you.
Yeah. I'm very thankful for you to give me an opportunity to work with a good team, with a high noble ambition to produce beautiful and employable students. And I congratulate all the students who are joining in this. And I congratulate all the team who are really working on this. And you are doing a great service to the country. I thank you one and all. And I will definitely assure I can contribute my level best for this cause. Thank you one and all.
Thank you so much, sir. Already you are helping us being part of our CMA fraternity to help the children. Thank you so much, Professor sir. Now let us listen to another dearest friend, Praveen Gupta Bhai. He is very much with us, eminent faculty member, and I request Praveen Gupta sir to give your felicitation address, sir, please.
Thank you, sir. Sir, I would like to thank ICI for giving me opportunity to serve the mother ICI.
Thank you.
I got objective SCAT course. Objective is to meet the huge demand of entry-level accountants. We assure you, sir, that we all faculty members as a team will strive to achieve the objective, and I wish a good luck to all our students. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, Praveen Gupta sir. So nice of you. And already you are a family member. I know you will groom many children to become proud CMA. Thank you so much. Now let us listen to our Aish Taneja sir, who is amidst us. Taneja sir, if video is not coming, however, still you can bless the students and felicitate through your audio, sir, please.
Sure. Thank you so much, sir. Respected institute members, it has been my privilege to be associated with the institute and as well as the CAT course for since the beginning, and I have been lucky and privileged to train the students. Along with that, I have been training the CAT students also. We have got some CAT students who have actually done the CMA course, and some of them are from CAT have shifted to CMA, and they are now complete CMA as well. Along with that, I'm since working for some public sectors in Delhi. Last time I had picked up 6 CAT trainees, and we have used them for Delhi Metro audit work also. So, they have been very helpful. I have been, God have given me an opportunity to place them in some other places also. So I believe CAT students have good potential. The course is very strong. Very sufficient enough to make them a right, purpose with a objective of giving in the industry people who understand accounts, people who understand the finance, people who understand tax. So it's a complete package, and I'm sure that with the esteemed faculties with us, we will definitely make this world a better place again.
Oh, great, sir. Thank you so much, Taneja, sir. And very nice to hear from you that you have also been instrumental in helping the students to be settled. Rather, I would like to tell you that not only the students, their entire family, you have helped by getting a job. That too in this unemployment situation, which we all know. Very, very nice to listen to you that you have been instrumental in that type of services. It is a great human service, I should tell, sir. Many, many thanks to you. And as you said, sir, for your information, many of the CAT students who have pursued CMA course, they are rank holders, sir, in intermediate or final. This is my honest submission that they had the privilege of becoming rank holders. They were invited by the institute to Kolkata and they were honored. Such is the beauty of this particular course, that from the young age they are tuned as to how to pursue, prepare and come out successful. Full credit goes to faculty members like you all. And next we will have the privilege of listening to our Sanjeev Varshne sir. He is amidst us. Let us all have the privilege of listening to him. Sanjeev sir, if you can unmute your mic and address all of us, it will be so nice of you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. I'm very happy to part of this journey, and this course is started by ICA is very good, and I hope the all students will get the benefit of this course. And I ensure to you and all the members, I will deliver all the best part of my education we can I give to the student to make them feel proud and feel proud of you. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. Now we are completing or coming almost near to the conclusion of the inaugural session, and hope the days and years ahead are going to be really good for the students and the supporting people who are going to ensure that the students are going to qualify this CAT examination also and become a CMA. And now I request our Ria Madam, who is Honorable Assistant Director, to formally propose a vote of thanks. Over to you, Ria Madam. If your net is correct, please.
Thank you, Padmanabhan sir, for giving me this opportunity. I heartily thanks all our students and members and all ROCCs and chapters, regional councils who have participated in this inaugural session of the inaugural of the e-learning course, e-learning system of CAT course. So I am very much thankful to all our students, ROCCs, chapters and regions for participating. I am also very much thankful to our Honorable President, CMA Balvinder Singh sir, our Honorable Vice President, CMA Vishwarup Basu sir, our Honorable former President, CMA Rakesh Singh sir, our Honorable former President, CMA PV Bhattat sir, our Honorable Chairman H. Padmanabhan sir, who is the Chairman of CAT Committee, and also our faculty members, CMA Dr. Joydeep Dasgupta, Sri Ish Taneja sir, then Raman Kumar sir, Sanjeev Bharsane sir, Pavan, Mr. Pavan sir, Praveen Gupta sir. So I'm very much thankful to you for participating and also agreeing for you all have agreed to be our faculty members for this online training of this CAT course. So very much we are very much thankful to you. I'm also thankful to Nisha Diwan madam for participating in today's program, and I am also very much thankful to my colleagues, our HOD CMA RK Jain, Pradeep Khaneja, Varun Joshi, Nidhi madam, our IT team, Mr. Ashish Tiwari sir, Mohan Mishra, Sumit. So I am very much thankful to all of them. So so here we conclude our today's program. We hope that the students for whom we are bringing this e-learning session, you all will participate in this e-learning session and will make the full use of this opportunity that we are providing from our institute. So thank you so much. Over to you, Papan sir.
Thank you so much, Ria Madam, for conveying the thanks from the heart of heart and for the benefit of the students and members in the studio and all the attendees. You have the blessing of P. Ravi sir from United States of America. You know what is the time there? It is midnight, 1 a.m. But still he is attending and he is conveying his message like this. It is a good course for 10+2 students. CAT course is the best course, and the CAT passed candidates will have bright future in national and international level organization. Congratulations to the institute and Balvinder Singh sir and the team, the entire council members, and for bringing such a wonderful CAT course e-learning facility for the student fraternity. So with this, I join Ria Madam once again to thank all the regions, chapters, ROCC support centers and whatnot. The most important thing, the gurus, the faculty members who are the real force behind you, like parents, they are guiding you to taste the success with a little bit request that when you enjoy so many things in your life, please enjoy your study also. And last but not the least, what our Honorable Prime Minister as well as the chief ministers of various states and union territory and the health department, police authorities, everybody are telling. We also wish to like to share with you, dearest students, that break the chain, but not the relationship. Maintain the relationship with the institute, with the faculty members, who can be the guiding force for you people. You listen to the faculty members, na? They were telling that they are also ensuring to settle you in your life with good employment. That much sincere devotion our faculty members are having, the CAT directorate is having. I, as a chairman, would like to congratulate the CAT directorate, the entire team from Rajesh Jain sir to Pradeep Kaneja sir to Varun Joshi bhai to Nidhi Verma madam to Riya Chaudhary madam and everyone who has been associated with this. Of course, very nicely appreciated and motivated by Kaushik Banerjee sir for his teammates doing an effective work. So hope to reach you. Maybe as a chairman and this thing, we may not be coming regularly, but the faculty members will be in touch with you to guide you for the years to come. With this, once again thanking the IT department, Ashish Tiwari sir, Mohan Mishra sir, and the entire team, Biplab Chakki sir, and Sumit Saxena bhai, everybody who have been instrumental in ensuring that our program became live and we are very much in front of you. Of course, net connectivity is there. Some members or the students will not be able to listen properly or would not have heard the faculty members. We know it. However, still, we are uploading this in the YouTube also soon so that you can see the entire session. And more so, any doubt, kindly feel free to talk to your faculty members, to your chapter or region or ROCC, recognized oral coaching centers, so that they will reach the CAT directorate. I mean, we will be able to serve you in a better manner. And as one of our very eminent personality who want to develop CAT course, that is Bashir Masoudi sir used to tell, we will in future ensure that you are getting this course materials also at your fingertips. We are trying to work on that. Already it is uploaded, but we will try to see how it can be there, so that if you don't get a physical copies of the book, you will at least have the facility to download and learn when the teachers are going to teach you over online, right? And once again, we thank CMA Balwinder Singh sir, Honorable President, for officially inaugurating, and all the resource persons who have been kind enough to spare their time to write the important articles for the CAT e-bulletin, and also to the former chairman of CAT committee of our institute, right from Balwinder Singh sir to Amit Bhai to TCS Srinivasa Prasad sir to Dr. I. Ashok sir to Abhijit Goswami sir to Manas Da. Everybody have shared their message with their blessings to you. Kindly read the CAT e-bulletin and any other publication and information which we share. We request the ROCC Support Center, chapters and region to disseminate with the children, because it is we who can give them the food before them. Rest assured, with your guidance, they will definitely take that food, whatever we give, that they will learn and ensure that their life is also secured. With this, once again, thanking each and every one of us in the studio, and also special thanks to Chittoda, the chairman of Banking and Insurance Committee, for sharing his message to inculcate the habit of savings and see that you have sufficient money with you and earn more, open bank account, and also have the privilege of being called as a proud taxpayer of the country. So thank you, Chittoda, and also the Secretary of Banking and Insurance Committee, Nisha Diwan Madam, and who is also the HOD for Professional Directorate, Professional Development Committee, that Directorate. And rest assured, many members were asking about CEP hours. Everything is in the process. Soon, at the earliest, all of you will be credited with the CEP. With this assurance, on behalf of Balwinder Singh sir, Visrup Dada, and entire team, we take leave of you for the time being. We will be with you always. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.